Hello dears, again welcome from EASYTRICKSFARM. I'll show you today how to play YouTube in background from your Android mobile phone. So first you have to go your browser from your mobile phone like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. First I am opening my Google Chrome from my Android phone. So you have to follow just two tricks from here. One is just click your browser setting option above three dot menu. Then you have to make sure in setting, then you have to click in notification and check mark the allow notifications on. Then you have to back, again you have to click setting option and see the desktop site option, check mark this. Then you have to click YouTube. This is the interface of YouTube now from your Android mobile phone, and then you have to click any song or video from here. Just play. You can play. You will see the notification of this song in phone notification bar. Then you have to click home menu. Again you will show this notification bar above, so you can easily from here push and play, and you can do anything from here. The song will play continuously. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to